And this is some big news. Flooding in the Balkans has torn everything apart. Animals are dead, farms are destroyed, places are destroyed. Also flooding in Serbia. Set mines floating in the water now. From the 1990s war. This is a sadness. This is the sadness. This is the fate of human life. These mines should have been damned to the army. This is going to be, people are lost. People are lost because they don't know what to do. You can't get out. The rescue's going slow. The safety net is very, very, very small. Most of the people's houses are gone. People lost their belongings. People lost their lives. People lost everything they ever lived for. Pictures, cards, postcards, travel vacations, their homes, their families. One man's dead already. Serbia, they got mines floating around them. They got mines floating in the water, and they're afraid it might float downriver. That's the sadness of human life, that the world is mined. The world is mined. The world is mined, and that's the human truth. Like I said, I studied this stuff, man. I studied this stuff. Serbia is just one of the many nations that have mines in the ground from leftover wars. It's a sadness of human life. It's a failure of human life. It's unsafe. They should have been taken out. They should have been taken out. People leave mines in the ground with little caution tanks on them. People have to start disarming these mines in this world. Because people are getting killed by them. And in the Balkans, it's just a flooded mess. Cattle are dead. People are dead. It's just a miserable mess. Human life, human suffering, human torture, human mental anguish. This is 7 billion human beings. Thank you for watching.